Alright, what's up guys? Sorry it took me a while. I've just been busy with all this stuff going on, but oh man, I haven't seen this in a long time. But here we go. You wanted me to you wanted me to show you guys how I did the install, or the what is that? Or basically allow the paddle shifters to work in my ride. So first thing you gotta do, you have to remove the steering wheel. And bear with me, yo, it's been a long time since I been in this car, and it's been a little busy with other things, but I'll make more content with it, only because I gotta get this thing going again. This is my pride and joy, and let's get it. Alright, so if you look in other, do a search on other YouTube videos, you know, it'll show you how to remove the steering wheel. So below here you got two little trim pieces, one here and one on this side. And let me see if I can brighten this up a little bit. I'll do my best. Okay, so leave you right there. Forgot what size the screw is. Ain't that? I thought it was a T30. Oh, it is. It's a T30, by the way. So, me, I'm lazy. But let me show you. Basically, these screws don't fall out. And I'll do the other side. Alright, those should be good. As you can see, airbag pops out. This is the easy part. Right, you got all these damn little connectors, and let's see, I think I have to take the whole assembly out, so that'll show you where the where you tap into one of the wires, and that is either the up or the down. It's one of those two signals. So here we go. Let's put you right here. Let's get this out. Oh, what did I just do with the screwdriver? I hate this. You just have a screwdriver. There we go. Now, as you look over here, you could remove these. Just, you see the yellow tabs. Basically, just pop them out. Pop the yellow tab out, whole connector comes off. Same thing on the other side, connector comes off, and you got a ground. That's probably for the horn. Shoot, now I forgot to get. Okay, I gotta get my toolbox. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. So it's a 19. There's a nut right there, so we're gonna pull that off and see what happens next. Totally forgot about this nut. should come off easy, but there we go. Okay, so let's see. Take off all these connectors and go from there. See, those connectors come off with the wheel, the handle. Alright, let's see. Okay. Alright, so that came out off nice and easy. I got these 2 screws I gotta take off. So can't remember if I gotta take that off or not. Oh yeah. Yeah, that'll just show you where the wiring is. You'll be able to see. Alright, don't do what I did. Try to do this without the car on, because you kind of want the steering column to come out. Alright, looks like I'll have to start the car. So, I don't think it just comes off. I mean, it should, but it's just harder to come back, put it back on. Alright. Damn it. Fire this up. How do you like this? One of my neighbors or whoever whacked my car, left that mark right there. Cameras couldn't find who did it, so it sucks to say the least. But I think it could be buffed out, so I think we're good. Okay. Start it up. It's gonna be loud. What do you mean key's not detected? It's right here. Let's pull this out. Wow, the start's actually kind of smooth. Look at that, 85,000 miles. That's Hawaii driving. Or now that's a Hawaii car, you know? I'm gonna let it run for a little bit, so bear with me. Alright. How the hell did I take this off? I can't remember, but come on. Whoa. I don't want you going back in. I think the top's gotta come off first like this. Alright, now the bottom shouldn't be a problem. What's the deal? Ugh. Let's see. How did I make this? Okay. I'm gonna do it like this. A little hard to see. Now, if you can see closely, it's really hard to see, but basically there's a plug that goes into this assembly right here, and with that you can see I spliced into one. I put in, so in the top 5 or the top 6 rows here, there's a brown, yellow, and you see a red. That red is where I put a wire into, and I fed it around. I fed that red wire you see the third one, there's a red wire, that thick, the third one from the left, that is for one of the positions of the shifter. It's a signal that goes there. I also tapped into another wire here. Let's see which color wire that is, that comes out from this plug here, this harness that goes into this assembly, that connects to the steering wheel. Can't believe I'm doing this, but I believe. Alright. So that's a black wire. Where is the black? Oh wait, did I see this right? No, it's not black. Hold on. That is one. Okay, so it's a green wire. So as you can see, the top two middle 2 wires, the red is one that I placed in there, and the green comes factory. It doesn't do anything because these GSs did not come with any paddle shifting capabilities. But I'm gonna assume, and I think it's safe to assume that there we go, that's back in. I think it's safe to assume that this particular like assembly is used throughout various models during this year period of these cars, regardless of the models. So I don't see any I don't see why a company would want to, you know, use, for whatever reason, to, you know, make a whole new assembly for something that does the same thing. They probably it's a universal fit, man. So that shows you where it is here on or that shows you what I did here when it comes to the steering wheel area. Now there's one wire that I mentioned that I had to feed through the bottom here, and I believe that second wire, well, let's take a look. Alright, first off we got to remove this, the shift knob. I also have to remove this piece. You can see I've done this a million times, but this comes off here first. Now we could lift this and everything comes off. probably shouldn't have done it the way I did, but let's put this in neutral. Move this out, just so you can see, take a look at what's underneath. Alright, so let's see. So I brought up two wires. I'm guessing, yeah, I'm guessing the red wire was tapped into this red here, and then this blue wire was also tapped in that connects to that green wire. I guess I must have used a black wire here. Let me zoom in. So 2 wires you want to take out and tap into are these ones. This red right here, and the blue. The black one went to that where that green is, and the red went to the red. The red one, once again, I had to basically just push it into that one open slot, and I used tape and a zip tie to just hold it there. It's fine. It does its job. This was before I started getting really anal, and now I just solder everything. But it's worked so far. I've had no issues with it, and it's great having that flexibility, you know. Alright guys, so basically that's what it took. It's a fairly simple process, and one thing I forgot to mention is this airbag. Believe it or not, I'm using the stock GS airbag. This is the cover, the airbag cover for the steering wheel off the IS250. Just don't forget this is an IS250 350 steering wheel, and the fitment was good. Everything fit perfectly, and as you can see, I had a rivet, or I put in some rivets to hold them in place as they came factory. There's 2 more rivet locations here, but I don't know why I didn't put one in. Maybe I'll do that later, and hopefully this really helped you guys. And as you can see, it's a pretty straightforward process. Not a lot. I did a lot of the guesswork for you guys, but just looking at the number of wires, it was just a matter of being lucky and process elimination. So good luck. If you have any more questions, comments, feel free to let me know, and peace.